Hi, do you want to make more money from trading? If yes, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to tell you how to use golden ratio to find the new potential stock to invest. And in the end of the video, I will also give you one more stock that I find we have a big potential. This stock will go up and in a strong trend. So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And I will share also like what's going on with Nasdaq and our favorite stock, Tesla. Okay, so like, subscribe, and share with your friend, and join my free webinar this Thursday. Okay, I will have also another one next week. We'll have a better time arrangement. So join or join next month also, but join sooner better because we will have a big more opportunity to jump in the financial freedom card. Okay, so now let's look at the Nasdaq account. So now this is a daily chart. This is for short term. I will explain you the short term first. So now we will look at this four candle. Basically, well, not four candle. Basically, we are on the fifth candle. So you can see the wick. What is wick is, okay, this is body, and the long line here is the wick. Okay, we have long wick here, long wick here, here. What does it mean? It means something very special actually. So for the stock trading, you have a buying side and selling side. So if both sides are struggling, they're like battling. Okay, when the price is like almost doing the same. Basically, it's battling. When people buy, and when the price go down a little bit, people buy in. When the price go up a little bit, people sell. Okay, so basically, you can see when the price go up, people start to sell. When the price goes down, people start to buy. So we have no idea, at least for the short term, what's which side is stronger side. Okay, so we need to wait a little bit. But we need to wait for a confirm signal. So what is a confirm signal? I will tell you now basically. So you can see we have a gap here. You see, we jump up on this day and we have a gap here. Basically, we come down to the gap, and you found the gap basically is one of our support right now. So the gap, the lower line of this gap basically is a support. Okay, so as long as we don't go below this, we are safe. And last time I have mentioned one of our critical supports. Do you remember? Is 13343. So as long as we don't go below this, we are fine. If we really go below this, we will have descending channel. We will have 2 to 3 week the adjustment. We'll pull down a little bit, okay, for 2 to 3 week. So basically the price is around here, okay, around here. So basically we cannot go lower than this, okay. If we go lower than this price, basically we are forming a descending channel. Okay, what is descending channel? Let me show you this. Okay, so well, you heard of this. Okay, this is descending channel, and we can form another descending channel here. Okay, so it can go lower and lower like this. Okay, this is a descending channel. Sorry, my drawing is quite ugly. Okay, so I just want to give you a bit signal here. I say 13343 is very important level for us. And I have mentioned in my last video, which you have to watch it because it's really, really good. Why I use golden ratio? Because golden ratio is one of the indicator can tell us what is going on next. So basically give prediction. It's like a crystal ball. So not so many indicators can do it. And golden ratio is one of them. So basically, and it's not difficult to learn. And in my course, I will also mention how to use golden ratio. But let me show you again, just in case you forget. Okay, so because it's quite important. So let me show you. So, but last video I make a very detailed. So I want to show you here, which is from the high here. No, yeah, sorry, make a mistake. So it's here. Okay, you make a high here. So you click this button, the first one. Okay. and you draw the line to the lower point to see how far the rebound is, okay? So far, let me hide this. Let me give you a better view. Okay, so you can see now we come down here, we rebound, right? Last time I mentioned how to form a lower low is they go to 38.2%, they cannot go above the resistance, they come down. Then you will form a lower low, okay? So at that time, people won't buy the stock. They sell the stock, okay? Or how to tell will form a higher high. Last video, I also mentioned you. So now we over 50% already. We are trying to break through 61.8%. And when we confirm to break above this line, basically it's confirmed we are in the bull market. Okay, so it's very critical how to tell when to form a lower low and when to form a higher high. And the critical level is 38.2% and 61.8%, basically. And 38.2% is very interesting also. And then I use this figure, this number to make a lot of money by longing and shorting. Okay, so this is my technique. Okay, so I will also show you a bit more in this video, in the end of the video, okay? I will teach you how to find a new stock to buy, like how to find the news coming star, okay? So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend first. Okay, back to our Tesla stock. So basically these 3 days first, we are still in the gap, okay? But somehow yesterday come down here. So is it a good moment to buy this moment? The first, I tell you, is it good moment to buy? The second question, are we in a strong trend or weak trend? Okay. The first question, no, it's not a good timing to buy this moment. I mean, we are doing this one for not for long term. I'm talking about short term. So look at here. We come down here, we are still going down. So this one is one of our support, okay? 60 to 64.45, okay, is our support. But I want to say we need a strong green candle to go up to confirm we are okay. Okay, so today or yesterday is not good time to buy. But second question, are we still in a strong trend? Yes, we are still in the red zone, so we are still safe. We just need one green candle. The green shown like this one. This one is a good candle to buy in, you see? Okay, so it's quite easy indicator to tell you. I have strategy, free buy, free sell strategy to tell you when to buy in with this indicator plus another indicator to make you a sure win strategy. So click like, subscribe, and share with your friend and join my free webinar. Okay, so I want to tell you one more thing is look at the volume. So when the price is adjusting, the volume is going down. What does it mean? It means when the price go down, we are basically like many people to sell or many people to buy. It is like there's no, the big organization is not selling, okay? But lately, let's see how it goes, because if the price still going down, because sometimes they make the price very fluctuate so that they can buy more, okay? So let's see how it goes. But so far, we are still in the strong trend, okay? We just need a confirmation, a signal to buy in, okay? The next one. The next one is AMD. So this is the stock I find is quite interesting. So this is a weekly chart. This is our golden ratio. So you can see what happened now is we already above 50%, we already above 61.8%. Although it comes down, people say, wow, it's already above 61.8. How come you come down? Suppose it's very strong, Yeah, we still come down, but will you form a lower low? No, because we already in the strong trend. Remember, when it's above 61.8%, basically it's a trend reverse. Basically, it means the bear market is finished. We will have a bull market. So this one will be the next stock we will pay attention to, AMD. Okay, although we have RSI because we have already increased from basically from October to now. Okay, so it's quite a strong trend. So it's normal to have an oversold signal. Okay, so this is our so you should so the way to analyze the stock, you can analyze by the golden ratio. Now you can see you click this button, the first button to choose, and then you pull from the first higher price to the lower price, and you can see how far it rebounds. Okay, if we rebounds just up to 38.2%, just run because it will form a lower low because it's not yet finished the correction. It means you will correct more, pull down more. Okay. So if we are in a strong trend like 50% minimum, I would say, or even 61.8% is a good signal. Okay. So I will mention more about this in our course. And the next one, I want to show you the AMD. So people say, wow, so is it a good timing to buy? Blah, 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 blah. Okay, let's buy. Okay, I have mentioned the long-term trend can tell us, is it bull market, bear market, and tell us where's the opportunity. And then we need to look at the daily chart to tell us when to buy exactly. Okay. So now you will find the stock AMD, for example, for education purpose. Again, is not financial advice. Okay. So for example, we found AMD. We basically confirm this is a strong trend. Confirm we will have a bull market. Okay. So what happened next is we go to use our indicator. So I have few indicator. This is one of my favorite one to tell when to buy, when to sell. So I have free buy, free sell strategy. I have more than a few strategy for you to choose. So you need to find your suitable strategy, the one you feel easy with. And this one is super easy. This one combined with another indicator is just like super powerful. So far we are still in the green zone. You can see here. So basically we are still in the, it's not strong yet. This is daily chart. Remember, the last one is weekly chart. Already confirmed we are having a strong trend. So in long term, it's strong. And in short term, we need to find the best moment to buy to reduce our cost. Okay. So basically, we are in the risk zone. In a strong stock, we will still have a pullback. Okay. You need to understand, like, let's say when you run a marathon or when you do running, you need to take a break before you go further. Okay, does it make sense to you? If yes, click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And give me some more comment, like what kind of stock you want me to cover, or give me some comment, or you want me to cover more crypto, or you want me to cover more stock. So I'm still exploring the social media thing. I hope you don't mind my poor drawing skill or my poor English or my poor social media method, because yesterday I was sharing something and I thought I did the whole video, and at the end actually I just upload for 1 or 2 seconds. So I hope you don't mind this, because I'm here really want to help you guys. Like I have some friend, they tell me like they kind of lost a job, and then they have struggling with finance, and then they put money in the stock market or crypto, but they put in a very, very high price. And I just find, oh, I want to share my knowledge with you guys. I want to help the past me. Like I have been there. Like I used to be one of them. Like, oh my God, what should I do with the stock market? Oh my God, there's no indicator. Like, oh my God, like what should I do? I don't know the mathematics really well. Like I was so confused. So I joined many, many classes, like many courses. Basically, I put a lot of money on course. I tell you what. And I select the best method, best strategy, and best indicator, and some of them basically is invented by myself, and I find it's really working. But I really learned a lot. It's like I learned the valuation, I learned the technical analysis, and I find it's so many things. It's too many. If you look at the news every day, if you are so busy to listen to the news, to the finance news, to the company news, you will get yourself too busy. So my aim here is to give you a simple life on trading, a simple, easy strategy for trading. So targeting for long-term investor, targeting for swing trader. What is swing trader is you follow the trend, okay? You buy when it's upward trend, you sell when it's a downward trend. So this is my target. My course is not suitable for day trader because I don't do day trade. I hate day trade. Like my father is a day trader basically. So I hate day trade. It's not because of my father, but because I have seen how busy he get himself into and how little money basically the trade make him. So I never seen one very, very successful day trader. Like I have lots of banker trader friends, but I never seen one very, very successful. So for me, it's always long-term and swing trade. So please learn from me, learn from my strategy. Okay, so join my free webinar. So I'll give you more insights about what is trading and what kind of strategy basically is suitable for you. So I hope you like this video. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And see you in the next video. Bye bye. Oh, by the way, I want to share something with you. I'm so sorry. I want you guys to feel grateful every day. Like it's so important. Like you need to feel grateful. Like no matter what, like your mood can your day, you have only one day today. You have only one today. Okay. I'm not saying you're dying today, but I mean you have only one today. For example, 11th July 2023. You have only one today. So make yourself a positive day, or your mood will also affect your surrounding. Like, and also when more you feel grateful, good thing will come to you. So I hope everyone have a beautiful day today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.